You my business, that's what.
It's well balanced though. So this is your answer. I'm eating. Good morning. So it's the morning time. Hello, Stella. Just leave me alone. Anyways, it's morning. It's 9:30, which is a decent hour for me to eat breakfast. A little bit early, but you know what? We still gonna eat because we gotta eat. Anyways, I'm just having something quick and simple. In like an hour or so, me and my sister are gonna go walk by the river. Ooh, on a little, little casual walk, a little, get some cardio, I guess, or whatever.
I actually want to look away. Oh, you were interested in my little tripod? You in my business, that's what. Always in my business. Always in my business. Okay, bye.
Okay, so I just got off the phone with one of my friends from college. She's just checking up on me. You know, we check up on each other every now and then. And so now I'm gonna, God, I'm trying to figure out my angle. So now I'm going, well, it's been like what, an hour and a half or so. Anyways, I'm hungry again. So naturally I'm gonna go get some more food. Just gonna make a smoothie, a little bit of peanut butter, a little bit of chocolate, some dates, banana. Yes. I'm sorry, that was a really bad accent. Anyways, B-roll. Alright, so I got my little smoothie. It's nice and thick. I don't know why I said that, I'm sorry. Sorry. So yeah, obviously I'm gonna drink it. This is like the most tasty smoothie out there. It's so good. This doesn't taste like a protein shake. It tastes like a smoothie. A nice chocolate flavor. The dates sweeten it. A little bit of peanut butter. Get you a little bit of fat in there. Very good. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys whenever I eat a snack. I don't eat lunch until usually 1 o'clock. What time is it now? I'm vlogging on my phone. But yeah, I don't eat lunch till like 1 o'clock. But I do like to snack in between. I'll have like a nice little snack halfway through, and I'll have my little lunch. So yeah, see you during snack time. I'm gonna go for a walk with my sister. But until then, back at the house. We're gonna get some food. Well, groceries. And then I'm gonna make some din din or some lunch. I'm gonna have what I had last night because it was delicious. So I like greasy. We just went on a walk and I have sunscreen on. A little bit greasy. So yeah. Anyways, just want to update you. What doing right now? Sorry, it's bad. Okay, bye. So it is like 3:30, or after 3, and just getting back to the hizzy. Yeah, I'm hungry. I haven't eaten in hours. I didn't even pack any snacks. That's so unlike me. Usually I have at least an orange in my bag. But yeah, so I'm gonna make a little margarita pizza. It's gonna be great. Instead of using vegan mozzarella, I have some vegan parmesan. It'll suffice. All right, let's make it. Hello again. So, hello. I got some pizza. So this is my pizza. I'm eating on my bed because it's loud downstairs. But yeah, this is what she look like. Oh my god, this is hard. But yeah, this is what she looking like. Not even gonna hold you. I had 2. Well, this is gonna be my second one. I made 2, so just keeping it real. Just keep it real. I probably won't be hungry until dinner time, which I'll probably have around 7. So yeah, see them. Y'all, I am still extremely full. It's 8 o'clock. Y'all hear Stella? I think she's waiting for me to wash my face. Usually I'm hungry by now, but I'm like stuffed to the brim. Those 2 pizzas really did the job. But I'm not complaining. But I'm definitely going to eat another meal. Very much so that. It's probably just going to be, you know, not super big. Probably just have something simple. We'll see when we get there. Okay, bye. Washy, washy. Hello. Okay, so I just finished making my din din. It's just the hemp seeds on there. I got some hummus. And some avocado with some pepper on, well, salt on it. Half an avocado. But yeah, that's what I'm eating. So I'm gonna dig in. I'm watching this one show called The One. It looks good, scary, I don't know. British people be making some thrillers. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy that and enjoy this. And y'all, yo, why is your car so loud? Anyways, I am not even that hungry. I'm not gonna hold you, but I know I'm gonna be hungry in some hours, so I'd rather eat now and be full than be like up at 1 o'clock and be like, oh, I'm hungry, and then like want to make me something, and it's probably gonna be something quick and not even good for me. So I'm gonna be really intentional and eat now. So yeah, that's all. I'm gonna finish this off and drink another one. This is my second cup. This is 20 ounces. I drink 3 of these a day, so 60 ounces a day, which is where about how much I should be drinking, apparently, because you're supposed to be drinking half your weight in ounces every day. Do we all do that? No. Are we all okay? Yes, very much so that. Anyways, I gotta go eat this food and get freaked out by the show. Peace out, home slice. I'm gonna finish doing the rest of my yoga. I'm exhausted, y'all. I gotta finish this water after I finish my yoga. I usually do like a 10-minute yoga session by myself, just kind of freestyle, and pass out. Usually I read a chapter of this book. What is it called? I forget. I always forget what. Oh. Blackwater Tales. It's really enjoyable, but it's freaking like this. I don't know. It's like getting really eerie, and I'm just like a little freaked out. So I don't want to have nightmares. So I'm not gonna read it in the night. I'm gonna read it tomorrow morning. Anyways, I'm really tired. So let me just do my stretches real fast and go to bed. I hope this was informational. Maybe inspire you with how you make your meals and stuff like that. I don't do anything crazy. I enjoy eating. I enjoy food. I enjoy making food. So yeah, this is what I eat in the day. Let me know if you want to see any other things. Maybe if I bake something. I was gonna make cookies today, but I wasn't even that hungry for sweets. I mainly just wanted savory stuff, very like wholesome stuff today. I will see you next Wednesday. Don't do anything I wouldn't do, and that's saying a lot. See you then. Bye.